So, how much do you actually need to start trading Forex? How much do you really need to start trading Forex? Leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section below as we get into the video. So, the purpose of this video is to show you that there is not really a minimum that you require to start trading. You can see my balance here. You can see the balance that I have here, just some $48 or $49, and the equity is currently $64 or something. It's jumping up and down because of what's happening here. And for some people, of course, it's going to be like, why are you doing a video showing $15? Because they've been sold on this idea of you need to make millions or thousands of dollars each and every day, which is a fallacy, which I must add is a fallacy. So, how much do you actually need to start trading? If you are going to use the broker that I use, the link is in the description box below. The minimum that deposit that they require is $5, $10. Basically, what it means is you can start trading with whatever amount of money that you have. Forget about people who tell you that you need thousands in order to be able to make money in trading. Why do I speak against that? Especially for the new traders, because many people think that if I deposit $1,000 today, I am a better protected or I'm safer in the markets, so I don't blow the account. Trust me, I've seen people blowing $1,000 accounts, and I've seen people succeeding with $100 accounts. You get what I mean? So, for me, this is my 2 cents. For me, it's not really about the amount of money that you have in your trading account. It counts, it helps, it does help things. If you have $1,000, if this account was $1,000 account, I would be somewhere, obviously. I'll be somewhere, obviously. But it's not $1,000 account, so it's where it is. Now, if you have that kind of money in your account, it does help things, but it doesn't mean that that's the be and the start and the finish of it. No, you still need to have a good trading plan. You still need to do discipline. You still need to know what you are doing, because people still blow $10,000 accounts. People still blow $1,000,000 accounts. It happens. That's the market, because people, they focus on the money. They forget about everything else, about the discipline, about the knowledge, about the training, about the patience, about everything else. They just focus on, I need to have this money, I need to make so much money in the trading account, which is basically a recipe for disaster. So this trading account, I actually started it around $10, and I wish I'd started recording the videos then, but I didn't think much of it because I've already done some videos also taking $10 accounts to huge amounts of money. So you can see already here we're around $20, which is almost half of this, nearly half. So slow pace, slow pace. You don't need to have a lot of money in your trading. And the advantage of these small accounts is, let's say you have $500 that you want to dedicate to trading. You can take $10, $20, deposit it with my broker, then practice and find a rhythm. Find how you are as a trader before you just jump in with that $500 and blow it, or that $1,000 and lose all of it. So you can use these smaller trading accounts. Oh, why don't I use demo? Why don't you use demo instead of $5, $10 accounts? Yes, I've used demo before. I've done that, but trust me, trading on demo and trading in the real market is a different thing. Even if it's a $5 account, Because demo, you just know that, hey, this is demo, the money is not real, everything is not real, so let me have fun. I can always what refresh the balance on demo. Whereas when you have your $5, your $10, your $20 in the market, you've got some skin in the market. Of course, it's different from somebody with $1,000 account, $1 million account, but that $5, trust me, is going to shape how you approach the market. You are not going to just take random trades because you've got some skin in the game, and it's going to teach you. It's going to teach you. You know how some people fail is they don't know how to react to losses. Some people lose in the forex markets because they don't know how to handle losses, they don't know how to handle wins. That's how they lose money in trading. So your $5 account, your $10 account can actually teach you a lot about how to handle wins, how to handle losses, how to do this in the market, how to do that before you actually deposit the rest of your trading capital. That's why I don't use demo. That's why I use these micro accounts. I'm also big on trading robots. I am developing several trading robots. So I usually use these $5 accounts to also test my robots in real market conditions. I don't want to just test the robots on demo and I don't have any skin in the game and things like that. I want to have some skin in the game, even if it's $5. I take it as if I've got 5,000 in the account. That $5, I do take it as if I'm trading 5,000, and I make sure that I only wait for the right opportunities. For example, here I'm not big on sniper entries. It just happened that when I woke up today, Monday, the 20th of May, AUD USD was just in a good position. I just took it. I just squeezed the trigger there. And yeah, let's see what happens. Hopefully, we can drop down to my first target. My first target is around this zone. My second target will be around this zone, around this zone. So maybe I can take these pennies into some real money. I'm not a big scalper. I used to be a scalper. Now I'm more of a swing trader, long-term trader. I can hold trades for days. I can do that. So this is what's happening on my AUD USD. It's probably we'll see. We'll see. I'm not saying I'm a magician. I know what's happening in the market, but if you go to Euro USD, you can check again, see what's happening on Euro USD. Again, I'm not saying you should chase sniper entries. It's a huge fallacy. I've seen many people showing off sniper entries. Trust me, many people will show you sniper entries. There are many other blown accounts that they are not showing you behind the scenes. So wait for your trades. Wait for your trades. These sniper entries are just sniper entries. That's all that they are. They don't mean anything to me. There was a time when they used to mean something. Nowadays, I probably have matured a bit in the markets. They don't mean anything to me. They mean zilch. So yeah, you can actually take any amount of money and turn it into something. You can see my lot sizes there. These are my lot sizes on Euro USD and also on AUD USD. Those, that's my lot sizes there. With this balance, where is it? With this balance, so I'll see current equity is around about $67. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, what the markets have got in for us. Today is a crazy day. Gold reached like historic highs today. It's just dropped a bit, but this was their highest historic highs for gold today. I wasn't in the trade. Lately, I've stayed out of gold because it has been moving crazy when you compare it with the dollar index. Why I trade dollar pairs is you can usually also just see what happens with what is happening with the dollar index, then you go and trade your dollar pairs. And gold is usually that, but sometimes gold acts crazy in its relationship with the dollar index. So yeah, that's why I haven't been in gold, but I know I've seen people cashing in on gold. These moves, People have been making money on gold. Guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye.